offer a wide range of services. We are a one-stop shop for security services. We do guarding, which is our main or our core business line. We do cash valuables management. That is what people normally call cash in transit. We do dog services. We offer dog services. We do alarm response. We do specialized operations like close protection services, roadside rescues, and such kind. We have different lines that we serve: manufacturing. We do banks. Those are financial institutions, government institutions. We have tailor-made training that covers all. So our guards, once they are trained and they have graduated or passed from a training school, we are able to post them to various assignments.
On access control, on the various topics that topics have brushed through, on access control I think I'm more confident. On first aid I also think I'm also more confident. I know on fire management I'm also more comfortable. On PR, that is public relations, I'm also more comfortable than I was before this particular training. So technically Brinks is a wide company, and it has covered most, if not okay, our target is to cover all, so it has covered most of the security industry.
Now arogamiriri